Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Ford Explorer Limited. 2011 Ford Explorer Limited, luxury, power, and adventure all in one ride. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 114,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Get ready to be blown away by this 2011 Ford Explorer Limited. Powered by a 3.5L V6 engine, it delivers an impressive 290 horsepower and 255 feet-pounds of torque, giving you a thrill on every drive. The luxurious charcoal black leather seats and stunning Kona blue metallic exterior will make you feel like royalty. Plus, with 17 mpg city/23 mpg highway, you can save on fuel without sacrificing style. With under 114,000 miles, one owner, and a clean CARFAX report, this well-cared-for SUV is ready for its next adventure. Don't wait, come take it for a spin today. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, battery saver, roof rails, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, tow hooks, power windows, and rear privacy glass.